you doing, baby Bungie? Trying to take a bath in your food dish? Goofy. You're full of it. Oh, you're a hoot. Yeah. You're gonna have to get your name pretty soon. Can't keep calling you baby Bungie. That bird doesn't sit still. Oh my gosh. It's all over the place. Got into Rocky's cage earlier. Rocky doesn't appreciate it yet. Oh. What are we gonna name you? We're gonna have to pick out of that bowl pretty soon. Still, if anybody wants to add another name, you're more than welcome to add more than one name. Please do.